Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it or by pressing the side button, the upper button rather. So wake up the screen, and once you wake it up you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and on this page you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Now you can scroll through the panel by swiping left and right, find the power saving mode icon, that's how it looks like, the battery with the leaf icon on it, and once you find it you can tap on it to enable the power saving mode. You can also tell that the mode is enabled by the icon getting highlighted. It will also appear right here at the top, and if you go back to watch face, I believe it will also appear on the watch face, which all tells you that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable it, tap on the icon again and the mode will be disabled, and the icon will go back to gray color, it will disappear from here, and also it will disappear from the top of the watch face, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And if you want to open the settings, it will basically what I meant to say is that you can press and hold on this icon right here, and it will bring you straight to the battery settings, and here you can turn on or off the mode like this by tapping on the switch. You have the description what the power saving mode does. It will limit your CPU performance, background networks and stuff like that. But you can also do another thing. You can scroll down, and here you have this option called watch only, and this is basically like extreme power saving mode, and it will allow you only to see the time, and other functions will be disabled, which saves a lot of more power. And this could be useful, for example, if you don't want your watch to die and you need to you need it to stay alive for a couple, I don't know, maybe more hours or something like that. So you can tap on the watch only. It should give you some estimated battery life, but first you need to keep wearing your watch for the algorithm to learn your patterns basically. But if you want to turn it on, tap on turn on. It will basically switch your watch to the watch only mode. That's how it's called, I believe. And that's how it looks like. You have only access to time, and that's about it. All of the other functions are disabled. And if you want to go back to the normal mode, you need to wake up the screen, I believe. Should be waking it up by pressing one of the buttons, and then you need to press and hold the upper button, I believe. So let's press and hold it. And after some time, it should basically reboot to the normal mode. Yeah, so once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. Okay, and we're back in the normal mode, and that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.